What happened?
Henry,
I'm in the snow.
you good? Did you get yeah, you
Yeah,
got knocked out. But I tried to get the guy. But we like flew up in the air from that little slide. We like landed near a volcano, and he like fell into the volcano. So he's like dead now. So we got to go get Mason from the hospital. So follow me. Well, I'm just gonna go get Mason, but Henry's in the bathroom. Hey Mason, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What happened? Like, what did they do to you?
Whenever I fell off the building, I hit my back and super cramped.
Okay. Here, let me see your back. Like, show me it. Oh shoot! Like you have a thing like on your back or something, dude. Yeah, it's like a little like tube on your back. Yeah, yeah. You fell off a 40-foot tall building. I'm surprised that you're still alive. Yeah, but I know you probably can't remember that much, but just come with me.
Right.
Hey, mafioso. Hey, boy.
For the love of God, stop calling me that. You fridge.
Hey. Well, we're pretty close to Mars, but just check the radar.
Oh, we're actually really close.
Yeah. So, we gotta get the rest of the gang.
All right.
Yeah, let's go.
Them.
Yeah.
Finally, I'm out. Finally, the golden monkey's mine. Yes. Welcome back to Chimpanzee News. The same guy who fell off the canyon is still alive today, and he stole the golden monkey. Some say that he's turned golden. If you can find him and return the golden monkey, you'll get a cash prize of $10,000. This is Chimpanzee News. Thank you for watching.
Alright, guys. I got a huge surprise for y'all. 3, 2, 1, turn around.
What? Oh! This is awesome! Dang.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, go inside. It's like, isn't this really cool?
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta say, it's really awesome. How do
Yeah.
you get the money? Mm-hmm.
I mean, fighting crime with y'all, like, I actually got all of this. Wait, Henry, I have a great. You know how Mason has like actual superpowers? He has like a tube in his back on his back because when he fell. Yeah, like we should give him a superhero name.
Oh, hold on. I think I have a perfect one. The Volt.
The Vault? How you like that, Mason?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just go put on your little fit like us. Come on.
Dang, guys, this is really cool.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I kind of made it myself. I kind of made the freeze gun.
But yeah,
it's
really cool.
Crumbs.
Yeah, let's just go.
Put the money in the bag.
Hey, why are you robbing me? Why are you robbing me? Okay.
Because I need the money.
I'll get the money. Hey, I'll get the money. I said I'll get the money. No.
Hey.
Okay. Just please don't shoot me. Oh no, I don't have the money. No. Somebody help! Oh. Oh shoot, I gotta get him. Oh shoot! Where's Mason? Oh! Duh. Y'all, let's take him to the cops. Get him.
Alright, thanks for the prisoner.
Hey, my job.
No problem.
Yeah. Hey, do you know where the gadgets are?
Yeah, they're over there.
Right.
Here they are.
Okay. I'm just gonna get this one. Okay. Scan them. Alright. How much would this be?
$4,000 your whole life savings.
Here. Oh. Alright. Alright, so we're really close to Mars, and I called in the rest of the gang, but the heater couldn't make it, but B300 can make it. Like,
Hey. Bring on gadgets.
Thank you.
them things look cool. Them things look cool, mafioso.
Stop calling me that, you mini fridge.
Alright, I'm sorry. Alright, but... Oh shoot, what was that noise? Oh shoot, we gotta go check it.
Oh, crap. We're finally on Earth.
Mommy,
I need to look for the Phantom, the Red Bull, and the Iron Fang.
Any last words?
No.
Oh.
This place is really haunted. I'm gonna go in the secret room and find the information of impersonator of Bee-Hive. Do you hear? God never dies. Ooh, I'm gonna go give this to the news guy.
Alright. Do you have something?
Here you go.
Wait, Slingshot's still alive?
Yeah.
Gotta put this on the news. Breaking news. Flintshot's still alive today. I mean, Minor Monkey, he gave me a piece of paper that said, but if you see the golden dagger in Flintshot, you'll get a cash prize of around $50,000. Visit Chimpanzee News. Oh, I'm gonna take down Flintshot with my bare fists.
That news, bro.
Bro, I kinda want some chicken.
Well, have you not seen the news, Henry? Flintshot is still alive.
Who that?
Oh, you remember the guy that like fell off the 100-foot cloud thingy?
Oh, I forgot since I had short-term memory.
Dude, stop messing around. He's still alive.
He is?
Yes, he's still alive. Mason's staying the night with his friend, and plus Mason has school tomorrow. Wait, what was that noise? Henry, stay here. You. Oh. Oh. Oh! Ow! Go back! Die! Die! Oh no! Where'd he go? no. Oh, 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 oh. My head. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Were you? Oh shoot. Oh. Oh.
I'll be back, Bee-Hive.
Oh. Oh.
I think you need a cast.
Yep.
I'm gonna stitch you up.
Alright. Oh. Thanks, Doc.
You're welcome.
Alright, see ya. Oh, it's been 2 weeks. I can take this thing off. Henry told me how to make some gadgets, but I'm gonna make a backpack that can hold all the gadgets. It's finally done. I can hold on all of our gadgets. I'm gonna go show Henry this.
Need to find a way to stop Bee-Hive.
Hey Henry, I just made this backpack because you showed me how to like make gadgets, but I decided to make a backpack that can hold all of our gadgets.
Oh, I just made one too. It's like a
Regular
flag I bought at the thrift store.
Oh, nice. Let's just go fight some. Let's go fight some crime. Come on, Mason.
Yeah. I think our plane crashed.
Well, no, dip, bro.
Man, shut up.
I mean, we gotta go find mafioso. Follow me.
Yeah.
Oh shoot! Come on.
Yeah, I think we landed in the wrong place.
Yeah.
Oh God, there's some aliens down there.
Dang. Let's go get them, bro.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Yeah.
What is this place? And where's the mafia and the freezer at? I'm gonna go in. Oh shit, it's the alien.
Oh shoot, it's an alien. What is it gonna do this time? Oh shoot! It's B300. B300. All right, let's go, bro.
What?
We gotta find
Okay.
the mafia. He's not here. I can tell he's not here. This place is bare, quiet. There's aliens roaming around here. We gotta go, bro. Bring in the prisoner. Are you ready to die?
Oh, what is this place? Man, you better stick 'em up before I take you to the sheriff office. He's chill. Okay.
How'd you get here?
I just landed here.
Hard to explain that. Bring it to the sheriff, boys.
Got it, sir. Got it, sir. We got a prisoner. Bad prisoner.
This is not who I wanted.
Who'd you want? Yeah.
I wanted the guy that stole the golden monk. You
We never
retarded
told
cowboys.
us to get it.
You're fired. Go. Now.
What's his name?
He calls himself the Golden Dagger. Did you steal the golden monk?
No, I didn't. It was the Golden Dagger. You could have looked on the news.
Actually, I feel like y'all got it right. Take them in, boys. Take these.
He's gonna match my outfit. Bloodshot? Is that you?
Yeah. Haven't you seen the news?
I don't watch the news. I feel like it's clickbaiting.
Well, no, the news is always real.
Anyways, check what I got.
You got the golden monk?
Yep, after 3 years, I finally got it.
For years. All of my workers thought they could do whatever they want after I died. They just gambled off.
So, want to team up on Bee-Hive?
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Let's go get Bee-Hive and his little buddies.
Look, look, B300. That's the guy that captured Mafioso. Let's go get him, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Mafioso? Who's Mafioso?
Yeah, who is Mafioso?
You know who he is.
Yeah.
I've already had enough trouble.
No. No! You killed my friend. Now I'm gonna demolish. Oh shoot. He's a robot. He's dead. This is bad. At least I killed the other person who stole the golden monk, who captured Mafioso. I'm gonna start killing people that get in my way. I don't know what time it is. Check my watch.
Give me your damn bandages before I electrocute you in your face.
Hey, man. I'll get the bandages.
Thank you. And that thing on your back too. There, thank you. And you're coming with me.
What? But I gave you your bandages.
Yeah. Come with me right now before I electrocute.
But I gave you your bandages. Now leave.
Come with me.
Oh!
Does this thing work? What is this stuff? Let me see if it'll kill me. Ah, it burns! What is this? Pepper spray? What the hell? Use this on Bee-Hive. Oh, you're the people that the news guy talked about a few days ago. And I think
Yep, that's
Bee-Hive, Vault, and Handcrafter?
Yep.
Yep, that's me.
Okay, would you like to be a part of our team?
Sure.
Okay, come to our lab.
Right.
Okay, this is my lab.
I mean,
But I'm sorry it's all rusty.
it's fine, bro. It looks
Yeah.
it looks fine, bro. Mason,
Cool, but
no
we
goofing
actually
around.
make a lot of We actually make a lot of gadgets, and this is my lab because
Shush,
I crashed
Mason.
on Earth, and I'm having trouble finding the red bullet, the iron fang, and the crap. God, what is it? The red bullet and the iron fang, and the phantom. Yeah.
Oh, Phantom. Okay. So where can you show us where you make your gadgets?
Yeah, it's right here.
All right.
Yeah, this is where I'll make all my gadgets.
I mean, since it's like a huge fight, and I heard there's all these villains, do you think we should make some gadgets?
Yeah, y'all should. Oh, wait, I have some.
Oh wait, yeah, he does have
those
some.
are really
And
cool.
I have this backpack that can hold the gadgets. I mean, we should go find your friends.
But
Oh, that was an awesome tour.
Yeah, but these floors are kind of broken, so.
Oh, okay. Let's go find your friends, bro. We need to find your friends.
Yeah,
So,
my managers are right over there on the dock.
alright, they're on the dock. Alright, we can go meet up with them on the balcony. If you think.
Yeah, and then let's go find
Your friends. Yeah, let's go find your
or my
friends. Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Oh, there's my bodyguard.
Okay. Where's your other bodyguard at?
They're trying to find the golden nugget.
Oh, okay.
There's 2 more of them.
Okay. Let's go. Come on here. We gotta go meet up with his bodyguard and tell him and ask him if he knows about anything.
What are y'all doing here?
I don't know.
Who are they?
They're part of the new gang.
That's great.
And you must be the heater's bodyguard.
Yep.
Alright, well, the heater was telling me that he need to look for his friends, the Phantom, the Red Bull, and the Iron Fang.
Well, I do know where the Mafia is.
Where is he?
He's at the prison.
The prison? The chimpanzee prison.
Yep. Yep.
How did he get there?
Crashed on Earth.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, and I heard that the B-300 died, which is super sad.
Oh.
They captured him.
I love him. Also, I love his gadgets.
Yes.
They're
He was a
awesome.
nice
We've heard about him before. That's kind of sad that he died. Alright. I know you might be sad about your friend dying.
He was a good man.
We need to.
Yeah, good gadget.
We need to head out, bro. We need to go find your friends. Belle. We need to get them out. Get Mafia out of jail.
I have a plan.
What is the plan?
The first, I think there is a villain meeting.
A villain
And-
meeting?
And
I don't think we're not
yes,
villains. We're not villains.
I know around the prison.
We need to
I think we could disguise.
Disguise.
And blend in and go to the prison and save them.
That's a great idea.
But first, we need to figure out how we're gonna do it and what time the villain meeting's gonna be.
Well, it's fine because I have this watch. It says. Alright, let me go to the villain meeting. Oh wait, yeah, there is a villain meeting. Alright, it says
Where's the clock?
6:45 p.m.
All right,
We need to get there.
let's go over there then. Let's go.
Are you gonna come with us?
Yeah.
Hey, hold on. That's why I eat dinner.
It's fine, Henry. It's just one day of you missing dinner. How bad could it be?
Okay, guys.
Yeah,
Let's
all of
go.
your chicken and stuff, but we need to go, bro.
Let's go over here. Guys, let's go over here.
Come on, let's go.
Is this the way to the prison?
Yep.
Alright, come on. So,
Yep, this is what the heater made. Bare hands.
this the skies machine. Oh, look, there's a card right here. Wait, do I swipe it to...
Yep, just gotta swipe it.
Oh, okay. It says...
Let's go quick
Oh, I can-
buttons. It's time to your account.
Oh, it looks like the Henry already got one.
Everybody sign in. Now you can sign in as villain.
Alright. I'll make my disguise. These are some goofy designs, and also we kind of do look kind of like villains. I'm just saying.
Yeah,
You
with
kind
the
of look like a
heater,
robber.
Heater.
It's fine, bro.
They-
We need to go free the mafia. Come on, guys.
Come on, y'all.
The prison's right down there. Hey, where's your bodyguard at? And where's your disguise at?
I don't know.
It's fine. The three of us can handle this. But you gotta hide because they're gonna notice you.
Okay.
Right. Come on, Henry, let's go.
Wee.
Look. Oh, right there. We gotta be sneaky. Come on. Go down. Ah! Alright, let's go get him quickly.
Let's get Matthew some.
Come on, quickly before they get us. Come on, quickly. Go. Come on, quickly. They're gone. We gotta go.
What is this? Is this a portal? I don't know. I'm just gonna jump in it. What is this place? Is this space?
Welcome to space, my friend. You fell right into Flintshot's trap.
This front shop.
The guy that everyone thought that he was dead, but he's actually not. He set portals around around the whole entire Earth to catch all of these heroes, and you're one of them. So,
Hey?
what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring you over. We're gonna throw you off, and you're gonna be like the other heroes that died.
No.
Come on now, before I stab you with my knife.
Alright, you're my last customer of the day.
Can I have one pineapple, please?
Yes.
Yep.
That will be 200 Chunny Rush.
Here you go.
And cool. Bye.
Alright, I'll go to the other spot to get my pineapple.
Okay.
Wait.
Alright, time to close up for the day.
Oh, no. Please. I need something, please. Can I please have, like, do you have any guns here? Like gadgets?
How'd you figure that out?
Don't worry about it.
You want a gadget gun or a real gun?
A gadget.
Alright, they're right here. And that will be 1,000 Chunny Rocks.
Dang, that's my whole life savings. Alright, here you go.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm about to put on my suit, but this is a really cool laser gadget. I might use this. Wait, what is that thing over there? It's like a portal? Is that a portal? Yeah, it looks like a portal. I'm just gonna go to it. This is like an actual portal, but before I go inside of this, I think I need to put on my suit. Wait, actually, never mind. How bad could it be? I mean, it's just a portal. But alright, I'm just gonna go in it. I need to start training before I meet up with Flintshot again. I think I'm ready. Wait, what? I just forgot. Where's Henry? Mason? The Mafia? And the Heater? And why is there a portal right here? I'm gonna go through this portal. I don't know what's coming. I don't know if it's a trap or anything. I'm just gonna go through it. Where'd I just teleport to? Why am I on a glider? Am I in space? Oh no! Turn! Whoa! Ah! No! Whoa! Ah! Ah! Oh. Am I on the moon? Whoa. Where is Mason? Henry? Mafia? And the Heater at? How did I lose them? I think they teleported here. And I think I can tell that because I told them to come train with me. Oh. Man. I don't know what to do. I think I know what happened. I don't know how we're in space. But I do know something. I think Flintshot trapped us here. He trapped us here by making portals around this earth, and that's probably how everyone's like. That's probably how like everybody that I know is like stuck here. This is weird. Am I seeing? Am I seeing stuff? Because I don't. Because I see some green aliens up there. Okay, now I know Flintshot definitely did something. Or Alien King. I do not know. But I'm just gonna go over there. Oh, how am I supposed to get up on there? Wait, Mason, is that really you?
Yes, it's really me.
Why are you hiding behind this?
Because they're coming.
Who's coming?
Flintshot and the alien.
Flintshot's teaming up with aliens? I knew he was placing portals around Earth. Alright.
They
captured Henry? Did they capture everybody else?
Yes, they.
Okay. What we gotta do is I teleported on a glider. So I gotta go find my way back to those. And then we definitely go up there and stop them. Alright, come on, Mason. Alright, come on, we gotta go up the planet. Yeah, this is gonna take a long walk, Mason. Alright, Mason, we gotta hide, bro. We're here. I see Flintshot and the aliens. Look, hide in here. Hide behind this. Hide behind the glider. Alright, I think we're good. Now follow. Alright, come on, Mason.
Alright. Just give me a whiskey.
Oh, shoot, it's the Phantom, bro. Alright, I got you, bro. Everything's free.
Good boy.
Alright, here you go.
Thanks, mate.
See ya. Alright.
Dude.
Just gonna fix me a drink.
Yo, is this a portal? Oh shit. There's Bee-Hive and bolts. I'm just gonna walk up to them and act like they're not there and pepper spray them in the eyes.
Mason, go hide. I'm gonna fight this guy. He has like pepper spray or something in his hands. I see him. Okay, gotta go.
We have back for more.
I am back for more.
Don't want this smoke.
Oh, what is that? Pepper spray? Oh. 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 Mason, go get Henry. I just handled him. I'll go get the aliens now. Mason, do you have your phone quickly? He's like waking up.
Yeah.
Is it in your pocket?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna go back in that portal. They have the portal set. Flitshot is gonna get trapped here. There's no way he's coming back.
Okay.
I knocked him out. Alright, go! I'll take care of these aliens. Oh shoot, it's an alien.
Backly smooth, backly back.
What the?
Spatula.
Spatula? Get out of here, bro. That's such a weak alien, bro. Whoa! Dude! Get out of here, bro. Is that some kind of king over there? Yo, dude, it's a king. Hold on, I'm gonna beat this dude up. This is like easy mode right now, and there's a straight up king. I'm just gonna go through the king, bro. It's like a king alien. Hey, I have a better idea. I'm just gonna I'm gonna close in the portal on all these aliens, and I can escape. Mason? Why is Mason still here? Oh no, Flintshot's up. Flintshot's up. The alien's up. What do I do? What do I do? I gotta go. Go get him, my alien. The Phantom. There. He's right there. Go get him now.
King Zyrix, do you think aliens are better than me?
There's plenty more where that came from, kid. Throw him. Time to die. Ow.
This is going.
Ow.
It's time to get out of here.
Oh, Henry! Heater! Well, hey!
Hey.
Alright, so guys, Flintshot's waking up, like, I don't know what to do, y'all. So, where's Mason?
Oh, he's with Flintshot.
He's with Flintshot? You kidding me? Heater, we have to do something. Flintshot's over there. We have to do something, guys. Come on. Flintshot, you killed everybody. Now I'm gonna destroy you. Duh! 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 Oh! No! Wait, Mason! Get him! Duh! We need to get Heater out of here. Heater, come on! Heater! 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 Heater, please! Please! No! No! Dude! No! He's dead. Mason! Come on. We need to go with Henry. We need to shut this portal. Okay? We need to shut the portal. Now! Before everybody gets trapped. Like, there's tons of other heroes here. We need to bring them too. Come on. We're going through the portal. Yeah. Alright, the hero's already in the portal. We're just gonna go through it. Come on. Ah. What a great day. And what a crazy night a few days ago. I mean, we went to space. That was so weird, and Flintshot's finally gone. For what he did, it was bad. But I have one thing to say. Good morning, Chimpanzee Town! Hey guys. I'm gonna go meet up with Henry now. Where's Henry?
Hey, Bee-Hive, is that really you?
Yeah.
Can we get a picture?
Sure.
Yes.
Your phone or something, dude. Alright. I'll see y'all, guys.
Bye, Bee-Hive. Bye.
Ooh, I'm on the last touch for my new project. All I need to use is this icicle to fix the wire, and then it's fully done. Now I have my new thing to use, like, for my new ship, and now I can finish my ship. Ow! Ow! What is this on my hand? Ow! Ah!
This dude. Can't take it off. That's so evil. I need to finish preparing the ship so I can travel with it. I need to start making some plans too.